tick.
We do hope that you're still experiencing hashtag good vibes with us right here at Hectic99. And right about now, it's time to get into that thing that makes a lot of young people sad. And of course, that is mathematics. Maths. Now, we've got Enrique right over here. We've got Lee. You're from Belhar High. You're from Belleville South High. You guys are both in grade 8. And you guys are really good at maths, right?
Yes.
Awesome. So you guys are going to go head-to-head in a times table challenge a little bit later on. But we also are joined by Dumisani Masuku, who is a math tutor. Dumisani, why do you love maths so much?
I love maths so much because maths helps me to come out of actually very hard situations. It helps me to get out of a jam because you see with maths, it can be real life applicable and it's very easy to do. It's just that a lot of people make maths so complicated because they flood you with all that confusion and you know people, what they don't do is they don't practice and maths is all about just practice.
Okay, now Dumisani, when you were very young, what were your maths marks like? Would you say you were born a genius or was it something that you've always worked on and practiced?
Look, I wasn't really a genius, but then I was actually an average student and I worked my way up through the practice.
Okay, cool. Now, something that young people struggle with a lot has to be times table, okay? Do you guys struggle with the times table?
Nope.
Hey, I love the confidence. Nope, I don't struggle with the timetables. But there are young people that struggle with times table out there. What can they do to actually make their lives easier?
Okay, the first tip I would give the young people is don't confuse yourself with all that trying to do everything at once, trying to get through all the numbers from 1 to 20 on both sides. What you must do is, especially with the primary school children, try and get rhymes and songs. There's actually a joke.
1 times 1 is 1. Yes, 2 times 2 is 4. 1. Guys, if you do have a times table song, make sure that you holler at us. Send us a video, actually. We want to hear that song. But anyways, you're telling me.
Yes, actually make it fun. Make it like what she just did right now. Make it entertaining for yourself and then you remember it. For instance, I've got a rhyme. What they actually say here is to remember 8 times 8 is equals to 64. You can basically say, I ate and I was sick on the floor. Something like that.
Hi guys, put down I ate and I was sick on the floor.
Okay,
guys, maths can be fun.
Yeah, something like that. And
can
as
you
well,
actually show us like a tip that we can do if we were using our notebooks or writing?
So you've got, I'll show you another one. You've got 9 times 6, right? We both know that 9 times 6 is equals to 54. But you know, that's like hard to just come up with.
Okay.
So there's a trick like that you have as well. It's another fun one. What you do is you hold your hands out like this.
Okay.
And then you count 6 from the left to the right. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the thumb, you fold it. Now you've got 5 and 4.
Oh wow, so it'll
like,
always be in your memory that 9 times 6 is 54.
Yeah.
Sure, these are amazing mathematics or timetables, times table hacks. Now today, what's going to happen is, Dumisani, we've got a bit of a quiz, okay? So you guys are going to go head-to-head in a times table quiz, and then you're going to be checking with them if the answers are correct or not. So we're doing the 4 times table as well as the 8 times table. Can we please have the 4 times table up? And you guys are going to receive 30 seconds, okay, to finish this. So your time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go! You guys can read it. Your clock is in right now. So, Dumisani, you also mentioned Einstein at the end of the day and how he went about, you know, he was very slow in the beginning, but obviously became a genius in the end.
Yes, that's actually a fact. Einstein was actually slow because he had a disease where he was a slow learner and then he had to pick himself up. But then people thought that, look, at 14 he couldn't even read. And then they said that he wasn't going to be good at math.
Time is up. Put your pens down. Okay, cool. So how many answers did you manage to get?
2.
And what about you?
3.
Okay, cool. So can you just show it to Dumisani? Hold the board up straight.
Okay, the first one is 4 times 3. They all got it correct.
Okay, so both of you got, okay, the first one you got it right. The second one?
The second one is 4 and 2. That's 8. He got it correct.
Okay.
4 multiplied by 5. That's 20. He got it.
He got it as well.
9 and, yes, 9 and 4. That's 36. So he
okay,
got
so far you've got 4 and you've got 2, okay?
Yes.
So Lee's got 2, Enrique's got 4. Let's move on to our next quiz, okay? This is going to be the 8 times table. You can wipe your answers off over there. So you've got 2, you've got 4, and now you've got 30 seconds and your time starts now. Go for it. Okay, you guys can go. The 8 times table, it starts. Is there any other tips that you have for youngsters that are doing maths?
Actually, I was going to share one with you right now. You see, when you multiply, you can have a number like this, which is 3 times 6 is equal to 18, right?
Yeah.
You see this number is the same as just saying 6 times 3 is equal to 18. So
Yeah.
when you learn your times table, you must know that a certain half is going to look like another half, because these numbers, they give you the same product,
Yes.
even if you switch them
Interchangeable,
around.
yeah.
Makes it easier for you to
Stop,
learn.
guys. Pins down, pins down. Okay, can you turn your boards around? Let's just show Dumisani.
Okay, we're starting from 8 are, that is 64, that's true.
So wait. Where did we start? We started number 1.
Okay, yeah. 3 times 8 makes 24. They both got it correct. No, he got it correct.
Okay, you've got it right. So it's 5 points over here.
8 lots of 2. He got it correct.
Okay, you've got it correct.
8 multiplied by 5. He got it correct again.
Okay.
9 lots of 8. He got it correct. That's
Okay.
right. And then 8 8s are, they both got it correct. 8 times 7, they both didn't do it.
And I think that's
he got
where they
10 times
stopped.
8. Nah, he got 10 times 8.
Okay,
Number
cool.
8 here.
So if I'm calculating correct, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically
5 is to 1.
he's got 9 points and you managed to get 4 points. So congratulations to both of you guys. Give them a round of applause. They both managed to take part in our times table competition. But thank you so much, Dumisani, and congratulations to you, Enrique. Guys, keep on practicing your times table, because at the end of the day, that is the only thing that makes perfect. Thank you so much to all of our guests.
Hectic.